best shopping center real estate investment trust. Company never cut its dividend, even after a raucous conference call where they challenged the CEO, Don Wood, and everyone pretty much said, come on, come on. He would not say uncle. Wood believed that his mixed-use shopping center should get through this difficult period. Eventually, he's going to be the last man standing in the shopping center business. It's not too late to buy Federal Realty, 4% yield, the time when long-term treasuries only pay a half. Finally, I'm a big fan of Ford Motor. Now, I know everyone knows there's a semiconductor shortage. I mean, everybody. Is there anyone you walk down the street, about the semi shortage? And it's going to limit their production, which cuts off some of the upside. That's the bad. The good news is, once everybody knows something's baked into the stock price, why do I like Ford? As I mentioned before, I'm predicting a small business renaissance coming out of this pandemic, thanks to pent-up demand and much lower rent for commercial properties. If we get a small business renaissance, we need pickup trucks. And the best-selling pickup in the world is Ford's F-150. Next year's going to be electrified. I'm going to get a couple of them. Just kidding, just kidding. That's hubris. In the past, this far-flung auto company couldn't seem to get out of its own way. When the U.S. sales would catch fire, they'd be dragged down by weakness in Europe or maybe Latin America. But the new Ford, the Jim Farley Ford, it no longer tolerates losing money as part of some misguided attempt at world domination. You're finally getting the opportunity to own the stock of Ford without having to worry about big charges or horrendous numbers out of some country that they had no business operating in, and that's gigantic. Think of it as the ultimate small business comeback story, the bottom line. At this point, the in-your-face reopening stocks, the cruises, and the airlines, can we start swapping out of those and go into some less obvious? Go into Square, Ralph Lauren, go into Ulta Beauty, go into Federal Realty, go into Ford. These aren't exactly stealth reopenings.